you're new here, smash that subscribe button and tap that like button to show support for the boys. Come check it out, guys. We got a new project this week. It's a 2017 Acura RLX. Got hit in the front pretty bad. This thing got buckled, completely pancaked. So we're gonna need to pull the engine out, get it all straightened out, replace some parts. See how it goes. Hopefully there's no engine damage. Because as you can see, check out the subframe. The subframe is supposed to be way over here. So far away from home. So hopefully we can get it back on the road here in no time. All in one. Check it out, guys. Remove both axles on either side so we can pull the engine and transmission out all in one piece. And this side anyways we're going to be pulling apart so we can straighten this rail out because it's all buckled. So here we go. Fender right here so we can have access to the whole front end for measuring purposes and just so we don't mess it up while we're working around it. Got these spindles out with the whole knee assembly. Pulled the axles out on both sides so we can get this engine finally torn out. Did the same exact thing on this side. Got the manifold taken off So we're ready to get all this wiring pulled back so we can pull this engine out. Hopefully we'll have it out of here in no time. We'll see how it goes. Homemade frame machine over to the other side because I'm trying to pull the engine out right now, but we can't do that because the frame on the front end is so smashed in together that the engine won't come out the top. So I'm gonna put a chain around the other side and quickly give her a yank this way so we can finish pulling this engine out. fancy doodad right here that locks the chain in from going either way. We got our 10-ton ram. When this arrow goes back, it swivels on both axes, so it swivels here and swivels here, and you pin it. These 3/4 inch pins right here. And once you hit the ram,
out of there. There's all the stuff. Want to put the pad down? Now the engine is holding, so it's supposed to be welded on.
Look at this though. If that ain't a buckle, I don't know what is. As you can see, this is what the thing's supposed to look like. And that's what we got.
Yeah, it's definitely not straight.
Close, you know. Almost has a 90-degree bend into it. Check it out, guys. Got the Traeger Silverton 620 ready to unbox her, slap her together for the old man. It's a present my sister bought my dad, so we're just gonna put it all together for him. One. See that? That takes years and years of skill right there.
This is the Costco sale, so you can keep it and return it whenever you want, you know?
Look at that. We're giving this away right here. Big giveaway. Right here.
First to like and comment on this video.
Not the first to like and comment. We'll do a randomized.
What do you say?